Hey guys, it's Miss Kraut with your homework today. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I honestly didn't think you guys were watching them anymore, so I stopped making them. And then you guys tell me, Miss Kraut, why don't you make the videos? I check every day and you don't have a video. So I was surprised. So here's your video again. All right, so what we have is this is all review from the things that we've been learning. So all of this should be pretty easy for you, but if not, we'll go over it. And if you have any other questions, please let me know in class or let Miss Strand know while we're doing RTI so that we can give you some extra help on that. All right, so number one is 1 and 56 hundredths times 10 squared. Well, anytime we're doing the powers of 10, you know that this is going to tell you how many places to move the decimal. And remember, when we have multiplication, our number is going to get bigger, so we're going to move the decimal to the right. Okay, so how many places to the right? 2. So the only thing I'm doing is moving this 1, 2. Okay, so my answer is just 156. So remember, when you're dividing, your number is going to get smaller, so you're going to move your decimal to the left. How many places? 2. All right, so let's do that. So here is our decimal right here. It's the ghost decimal, right? So if we move it 2 places to the left, that's 1, 2. I'm going to rewrite my number, 7730, and then that's it. And then I'll put in my comma once I can count over there. All right, so I'll let you do number 3 and number 4 by yourself. Number 5, find the value of the underlined digit. How much is that 1 worth in that problem? Is it worth 10? Is it worth just 1? Is it worth 10? Is it worth 100? So you write that on the line of on number 5, how much is that worth? And I'm not going to give you the answer because that's something that we've been going over and over and over and over. All right, so number 6, this one, we've been doing these, but I'm going back to it. So in the number 51 and 457 thousandths, the 5 in the hundredths place is blank the value of the 5 in the tens place. Remember, we're going to star where we start. So we're talking about the 5 in the hundredths place, okay, and we're comparing it with the value in the tens place. So 1, 2, 3, right? And remember, I know it's been a while, but remember when we're talking about that, it's going to the left, so it's going to be a fraction, right? So it's how many times the value? It's going to be 1, and how many times did we go over? Started with the 5, we went 1, 2, 3. So it's 1 with 1 and 3 zeros. Okay? I'm going to do number 7 with you, and then tomorrow when you do your homework, I'm only going to do 1 with you because I know it's been a while since we've done these. So in the number 93 and 3/10, the 3 in the ones place is blank the value of the 3 in the tenths place. Okay, so you're going to star where you start. The ones place is here, so we'll put our star. And then we're comparing that to the value of the 3 in the tenths place. So we're going to the right ones. So remember, when we're going to the right, it's going to be a whole number. Okay, so we went set 1 with how many zeros? How many humps do we have? 1. So it's 10 times the value. Okay, and number 8, you're just writing out the value, writing this as a numeral, okay? So we have 4 times 10 is 40, and then we have plus 2, that's going to give me 42, plus 6/10, plus 3/100, plus 7/1000, right? So if I add these all up, I have 42, 6/10, 3/10, and 7/1000. So I just go put zeros in there, right? I just go put zeros in there as placeholders, okay? And you can put them all here, 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 here. Okay, so that's 7, 3, 6, 2, and 4. Okay, so I have 42 and, so is that 42? Yes, that's right. 6/10, yes. 300ths, yes. 7/1000, yes. So then I know my answer's right. Did you see how I went back and looked at that though, instead of just up, moved on about my business? You don't have to do it this way, okay? If you can do it easier than that and you can do it like this and then just figure out through place value where things go, that's fine. But I do want you to go back and make sure that your answer is right, okay? This one is right as a numeral. And this one is just 42 and 25 thousandths. Which one says 42 and 25 thousandths? I'm going to let you do this one on your own because I think that you guys can handle that one. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. And I'm so happy to be able to make these videos for you again. I'm so happy that a lot of you are watching them. I should start putting a code word in so I know that you watched it. So the code word is going to be turkey. Don't tell anybody the code word. Don't share it. Don't say anything. But maybe tomorrow when I say, hey guys, what's the code word? If you guys come and tell me that it's turkey, I'll give you a dojo. How about that? All right, guys, have a good night. Bye.